Hello, how y'all doing? So this is Acura MDX 2007. Yeah, the AC does not work. It's blowing hot air, and that's what we're going to fix right now. So before you do anything, there's something I need to tell you, because when the AC clutch and everything is not kicking up, you need to come over here. This is where all the fuses are for the AC, and as you can see, these three fuses, you need to test them, change them before you even do anything, and see if the clutch kicks up. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do before I do anything else. So I'm going to replace the compressor right here. I've already tested all those fuses and they are all good. So this is the new compressor that I just got from Rock Auto. I don't get paid for the advertisement, but that's the place I always get my auto parts, from Rock Auto.
Jack up the car.
Then I'm gonna remove this wheel. This wheel has to come out.
Always put it under here. There you go. So that exposes what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do right now is remove this guard out. Alright, so we're going to remove this guard, and this is what we're going to. So I'm able to remove this guard using this special tool. Yep. So the guard is out. As you can see, now you have access to this compressor. That's what we're going to remove. Alright, that's what it is. Alright, so I removed this guard, the guard that's always protect this area. So this plastic guard, I removed it and just put it on the side. So I've exposed the compressor. I've exposed the compressor. It's right here, as you can see it. I hope it's clear. This is the compressor. So these are the 4 bolts that I'm going to remove. 1, 2, I think they're 10 millimeters, and there's one, you can see it right here, and there's another one at the opposite. So before I do anything, I'm going to remove this thing, this screws. So this bar has to be taken out. So I'm gonna use 17 millimeters to remove this crossbar. 17 to loosen it. So let's put it on the side. Now it's exposed, you can see. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the belt. This belt, I recently invested on this tensioner remover. So as you can see, I have here the bar with different sizes of sockets, as you can see. So I'm just gonna use one to remove it. Alright, so we're gonna use 14 millimeters socket. Alright, we got the tensioner. Move it towards the back, as you can see. Alright, belt is out. So the belt is out, as you can see it. I have no use for it now because I have a new belt that I'm going to replace. I hope you guys can see. I need a 10 millimeters here to remove this one. I hope it's clear. Remove this bolt. Hope you all can see it right here. That's what's gonna remove. Got here the smaller 10 millimeters. This is the AC line that we are removing right now. They're all loosened up. So what I'm gonna do is just ensure that you cover the lines and nothing else goes in there. You can see I'm wrapping the line with a piece of cloth. We don't have a debris that goes in there and block the line. It's really stuck in here. So tightening all these 4 bolts. Tighten 1, 2, and 3, 4. So depends with what bolt you have. Thirteen millimeters. Okay. So you can hand tighten it. Tighten them using the 13 millimeter socket for all those 4 bolts. So the compressor is in place, and I already hooked up all these hoses. They're back in place. So what I'm gonna do is to put back the belt. And so the next one we're gonna do is to put this line back to its place. So I'm gonna remove the retainer, which is 10 millimeters. Gonna remove it now. This one back. Just make sure you remove there's a ring right here that needs to come out because we have a new one. So it's this ring that I need to take out. We have a new O-ring. I hope the lighting is okay. So the O-ring is out. It's the new one right here. Just slide it. There you go. Just make sure there's no debris inside, and don't bend this too much. Just ensure that this thing is not contaminated somehow. Put it on the side. You can see this is the wire, and we have a wire right here. So I'm gonna insert this thing to its place. A simple search, and use 10 millimeters
tighten it. Make sure it's tight. All right, I'm gonna go to this. This right here. Let's do this. So this is the bolt we are tightening. This one is the bolt. You guys can see it. Get 10 millimeters. Just continue hand tightening it till you can't tighten it anymore. Alright, so we're gonna put back the belt. As you can see, we have the belt here. This is a new belt that we're going to put back, and just have to make sure that it follows where it's supposed to go. Start below as I climb up. I don't know that you guys can see it. Gotta go under. And there's the upper one. So it's coming up, going there, coming back here, then going here, then going to the tensioner, then back up here. So that's how we're gonna do it. So it's easy as that. If you're having issues, you can follow that instruction. That's just all right. So we are putting the belt in place now. Going behind here. Right now, I have the tensioner here. Tensioner is making things easier here.